I just wanted to show you a cool idea. This is a busy board table that I made for my granddaughter for Christmas. So the first thing that I did is I have a lanyard here with some keys. We had a Infinity that we don't have anymore, and we had this key fob hanging out. She absolutely loves it. Well, she steals my keys and uses my key fob and sets off my alarm and stuff, so I thought she'd really like to have one of her own. This is a wooden box from the dollar store, and I just painted it, cut a hole on top, very strange shape hole. And then they have these like dollar store or Dollar Tree Play-Doh sets. I bought 4 sets and I glued like 2 Elmos together back to back with E6000 just to make sure that they're too big for her to choke on. This is just a hook and eye latch. And this is a dollar store chalkboard that I just painted and customized with her name, Braylon. This is pretty cool. So both of these came from Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree plug-in nightlight. I drilled a hole in the side. I found some cord. This actually came from Michael's. It's made out of plastic so I can melt it with a lighter. So I cut a piece and then I used E6000 and I banged a nail through the end, and then I slid the nail through the hole and then pulled it back through so it like caught sideways and can't come out. And then I just used a dollar store bead on the end, wooden bead, just to kind of hold it in place. And then obviously I just secured it to a hook and eye and I melted it so it wouldn't come apart. And then this they sell at the dollar store as well. And I just used pliers to remove the part that plugs into the wall. I can't think of the name of it right now, so that it would lay flat. And then I literally just glued E6000 this here too, so she can practice plugging. Her parents might not appreciate that though, because they don't want her messing with plugs. So we'll see if I'm in trouble for that one. And then this is just a door stop. Kids just love that sound and they like doing that. This is a door, and when you lift it up, it shows her family. That is her mom and dad, who is my son. Her dad is holding her. That's the baby when she was younger, and that's her big sister Peyton. And this is, I think it's very cute. She loves pictures of her family, so she'll love that. These you can get on Amazon. So I recorded a message to her.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Braylon, and her Grammy loved her so much. She lived happily ever after. The end.
Very corny, I know. This I actually just bought. I left the tag on it too, but I bought it from Walmart, and I literally just drilled it into the middle of the table. I drilled a couple holes in the middle of the table and screwed it in with a couple of deck mates. This I made by hand. I don't know why I wasted the money on the Elsa fabric, because you can't even see Elsa, but it's just basically for her to be able to use the button. And this was from Amazon too, which is really cool. It's a battery operated LED light, and that attached with a couple of screws. Etch-a-Sketch from Dollar Tree. Got this dog collar from Walmart, and I thought she could practice with the buckle, but I'm going to be honest, I can't even hardly get the stupid thing on and off, so I doubt she's going to be able to, but hey. And then we have a chain lock. This is a magnifying glass from the dollar store that lights up, and I just got some Bluey stickers that I didn't finish putting on here yet, but they're also from the dollar store too. But I just glued that on there with a little hot glue and E6000. And then of course we have another lock, just fun things for the kids to do, right? And then a calculator. She likes to push buttons. That's pretty much it. I love it. I hope she loves it too.